It's simple. Because why is it simple is that you know what to do to become a sapphire, to become a 1 ruby, 2, 4, 5, 1, 2, 4, 5 diamond item. You know the points, you know the leg. It's simple. It's not easy. There is a difference between being easy and very simple. It's simple. You know, it's something is difficult if you don't know what to do to get something. You know what to do to get it. It's not left to you to strategize. Work it. To God be the glory. And since 2016, I'm the highest paid distributor in West and East Africa countries. Applause to Charlie Boating. Charlie Boating is a role model, he's a great leader, he's a mentor I like and admire so much. And Charlie Boating has been a 5 diamond director for more than 30 years. And last year, Charlie Boating clocked 50 years. He started this business. 50 years. I was not born then. When Charlie Boating became 5 diamond director in 1991, I was in primary. I was in primary 3 or 4. In primary 3. I was primary 3 then, or thereabouts. I'm not so sure, but primary between 2, 3, 4. Don't know that. When we became 5 diamond director. Charlie Boating has been a 5 diamond for more than 30 years. Charlie Boating is the longest qualifying 5 diamond director in the whole world. To God be the glory. But for the past 2 years, I'm the highest paid distributor in the whole world.